The world is deceptively calm. In the forests of Sri Lanka, the air is thick with humidity.
And the rhythm of life appears unbroken.
But listen closely. The usual chorus of the jungle has shifted. It is the sound of a vacuum, a sudden, haunting silence.
Where there should be song.
This is the first warning. This is the first warning.
Part 9. Infrasound prats. Perceived only by those with the ears to hear it.
The silent alarm rings out. Deep beneath the soil, tectonic plates grind.
They emit primary waves, P waves, traveling faster than destruction.
Humans cannot feel them. But the African elephant, with feet designed to detect vibrations. As subtle as a distant thunderclap, freezes.
Through the sensitive pads of their souls, they receive the seismic message.
The message is clear. Run. An ancient frequency guides their path. They move as one, fleeing the invisible threat. The prophecy is written in the earth. High above the Appalachian Mountains,
The golden-winged warbler performs an unprecedented evacuation.
a massive storm system is days away. It is undetectable by local weather stations. Yet, these birds detect the infrasound of the approaching tornadic front. From hundreds of miles away, the signal reaches them.
They abandon their breeding grounds.
Fleeing the invisible monster on the horizon. The instinct to survive takes flight. The air itself tells the story. In the murky depths of the ocean. The pressure changes long before the storm strikes.
Sharks, the apex predators of the deep, sense the hydrostatic drop.
Like a fleet of submarines responding to a silent command. They descend into deeper waters. Seeking the safety of the abyss. To ride out the hurricane that rages above. The surface is a world of chaos. But below, there is only calm. They are the masters of the pressure.
The prophecy is not always heard or felt. Sometimes it is tasted.
In L'Aquila, Italy, before a devastating earthquake. The common toad vanished from its breeding ponds.
Scientists believe intense stress in the Earth's crust released charged particles.
Reacting with groundwater to create a toxic chemistry. The toads, sensitive to this chemical shift, fled.
They fled the poison before the ground even trembled.
The water was no longer home.
Biology reading the chemistry of disaster.
The warning was in the taste of the earth. Even in the frozen grasp of winter.
Plinal, the instinct to survive, overrides biology. During the Haicheng earthquake of 1975, snakes, cold-blooded and hibernating, woke from their slumber. Sensing the magnetic anomalies and foreshocks, they slithered out into the freezing snow.
Choosing the risk of hypothermia over the certainty of being crushed. In their burrows, the danger was absolute. A desperate migration in the dead of winter. The Earth's magnetic pull had changed. Closer to home, our companions are not immune to the signal.
Reports of dogs howling incessantly.
And cats becoming erratic. Precede almost every major seismic event in history.
Their superior hearing picks up the high-frequency fracturing of rock.
A sound terrifyingly loud to them.
Yet completely silent to the masters they try to warn.
The domestic alarm is sounding.
They are trying to tell us something.
The air is vibrating with tension.
The climax arrives.
The disaster that the animals predicted finally breaches the human threshold.
As cities crumble and tides rise. The wild places are often empty. Their inhabitants having already sought higher ground. The prophecy has been fulfilled.
The world is changed in an instant.
Nature's sentinels knew.
The silent warning was true.
The bridge between the unseen and the inevitable is crossed.
How do they do it?
It is not magic, but biology tuned to the highest sensitivity. Magnetoreception, infrasound detection, and olfactory acuity.
Allow them to read the Earth's data stream. While we built machines to watch the world. They evolved to feel it.
A biological forecast honed by millions of years.
The data of the wild is constant.
A connection we are only beginning to understand.
The Earth speaks in frequencies we forgot.
As we face a future of increasing climate volatility. Perhaps it is time we stopped just watching the animals.
And started listening to them.
In the grand design of nature, they are the first line of defense.
The biological early warning system.
That has survived every catastrophe the Earth has ever known.
The prophecy is a gift of survival.
They are the prophets of the wild.
And their sixth sense is our greatest ally. Listen.